Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. Today's topic is chapter 4, exercise 4.1. It's 17, 20 and 23. That means I will solve today 3 questions, number 17, number 20 and number 23. Okay, it's the third lecture in the half-yearly examination of 2021 and your homework number is 2. Okay, my dear students, in the previous class, that means in lecture 2, I solved already the multiplication of polynomial with the monomial and monomial with the monomial. Today we will solve the multiplication, the product of polynomial with the polynomial. My dear students, first number is 17. We need to multiply this first expression with the second expression. Both the expressions are polynomial expression. My dear students, first expression is a square minus ab plus b square and the second expression is a plus b. So our product will be what? Product will be a square minus ab plus b square with a plus b. Okay. Now my dear students, we need to multiply these two. That means we need to find out the product of these two expressions. Look, first of all we need to separate these ones. How? This a square minus ab plus b square is multiplied with a plus b. That means that this a square is multiplied with a plus b. This minus ab is also multiplied with a plus b and plus b square is also multiplied with a plus b. We need to write down this separately. That means a square multiplied with a plus b. After that minus ab is also multiplied with a plus b. And my dear students, its plus b square is also multiplied with a plus b. Now look, already I have write down it separately. Now what should we do? This a square is multiplied with a plus b. It means that this a square is multiplied with a and this a square is also multiplied with b. Okay, so write it down. It's a square multiplied with this a, and my dear students, this a square is also multiplied with b, and we will write down a plus sign in between this one. Okay, because this is a plus sign. Now my dear students, this minus ab is multiplied with a and also minus ab is multiplied with the b. So we need to write down minus ab is multiplied with a, then minus ab is also multiplied with the b. After that this b square is multiplied, this plus b square is multiplied with a and this plus b square is also multiplied with b. So write down plus b square multiplied with a and this plus b square is also multiplied with the b. Now my dear students, it's a simple multiplication now. Now we can multiply every one because it's become a monomial expression now. Okay, the polynomial expressions now become a monomial expression. This a square and a we need to multiply. When we multiply these two similar term, that means similar variable, we will follow the first formula. That means a to the power n multiplication with a to the power m, that's equal to how much? A to the power n plus m. This is our first formula. Have you forget it or not? Don't forget it please. Okay, a to the power n multiplication with a to the power m will be a to the power m plus m. Okay, now look, it's a to the power n multiplication with a to the power n. Okay, so it will be n plus m. This a has no power, that means this a has power as 1. Okay, my dear students, now it's a square and b will get a square b because this variable is difference. Now my dear students, it's a and a will make a square. Okay, and we have a b and this minus sign will become here. Okay, now after that this one b and b makes b square and we have a here. Okay, and also a minus sign in front of this. Now after that it's a plus sign. Now b square and a, when you multiply b square and a will get a with b square, And in the last we have b square multiplication with b. We will get b to the power 2 plus 1 because both the variable is similar. B has 2's power and b has 1's power, so power will be added by the first formula. Now my dear students, it will be how much? It will be a cube plus a square b minus a square b plus ab square plus ab square, sorry, minus ab square plus ab square minus b cube. We only do what? We only do this addition. 2 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3 and this 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now we will do addition and subtraction in the variables. Look my dear students, it's a square b and a square b is similar term, right? And this has a plus sign, this has a minus sign, so these two will be omitted. And ab square and ab square is similar term, and this ab square has minus sign, this ab square has plus sign, so these two also be omitted. So we will get only a cube minus b cube as a result, a cube minus b cube. Okay, this will be our result of the product of these two expression. I think you have understood my dear students. Now I am going to solve the next one. The next one is number 20. 20 I have written on the right side, my dear students. It's also two polynomial expression. Okay, the first expression is x square plus twice x minus 3. We need to multiply with this one, the second expression, x plus 3. Okay, so we should write down the product. Product will be how much? Product will be x square plus twice x minus 3 with x plus 3. This indicates what? This indicates that as the previous we solved already, this x square plus twice x minus 3 is multiplied with x plus 3. This means that x square is multiplied with x plus 3 plus twice x is also multiplied with x plus 3, and my dear students, minus 3 is also multiplied with x plus 3. So write down it separately. It will be x square is multiplied with x plus 3 plus twice x is also multiplied with x plus 3, and minus 3 is also multiplied with x plus 3. Now my dear students, will write down what? By the rules of the first solution, we will multiply this one. Okay, we will get what? This x square is multiplied with x plus 3. This means that this x square is multiplied with x and this x square is also multiplied with this 3. So write it down. It's x square multiplied with x. This plus sign will arise here. This x square is also multiplied with 3. After that, this plus twice x. This plus twice x is multiplied with x, and also this plus twice x is multiplied with this 3. Now my dear students, it's minus 3 is multiplied with x, and this minus 3 is also multiplied with this 3. So write it down. Minus 3 multiplied with x, and minus 3 is multiplied with the 3 also. Now it's a simple multiplication. Now do it. I am going to skip one line here. X cube multiplied x will get, sorry, x square multiplied with x, we will get x cube. X square multiplied with x will get x cube by the help of the first formula. Okay, now my dear students, x square multiplication with 3, so we will write down 3x square, because when we multiply x square with 3 we will get 3x square. My dear students, look, x square multiplied with 3, you can't write down x square 3. Okay, you can't write down this one because this is the wrong formula. In class 6 you have learned this, because the numeral must be written down in front of the variables. Okay, so the right formula is 3x square will be our result for this multiplication. Now my dear students, the next one is twice x multiplication with x. When we multiply these two, we will get twice x square. Okay, the numerals is 2, so it will be 2, and x and x when we multiply we will get x square, and the plus sign will arise in front. Now again a plus sign will arise in front. Now 2 and 3 is the numerals, so 2 3's are 6, and here is the variable x. After that a minus sign will be arise. 3 and x when we multiply we will get thrice x. Okay, and when we multiply 3 and 3 we will get 9, but a minus sign in front of this, so minus sign will write down here minus 9. Now my dear students, Now we need to do only the addition and subtraction. It's very easy. Look, x is cube, only the single variable here. And the no, x is cube has no similar terms. So x is cube is written here. Now thrice x square and twice x square are similar terms. Okay, we can add these two. So at the numerals it's 3 and 2 makes 5, and the variable is x square. Now this 6x and minus 3x is the similar term. So subtract this 3x from 6, we will get plus thrice x, my dear students. Then we will get how much? It's minus 9 as the coefficient. So our result will be how much? It's x cube plus 5x square plus thrice x minus 9. It will be our result. Okay, it will be our answer. Now I am going to solve the last one. The last one number is 23 today. Okay, 23 today. I have forgotten to write down the answer. Okay, it's 23. I am writing down again 23 before because it's a big problem. I think it will be not be here. It's x square plus xy plus y square and x square minus xy plus y square. We need to multiply these two expressions. Okay, my dear students, we need to multiply these two expressions. So the product will be how much? The product will be these two expressions. Okay, we need to multiply x square plus xy plus y square with x square minus xy plus y square. This means what? This means, as the previous, we can write down, this means is x square is multiplied with this one, xy is multiplied with this one, and y square is also multiplied with this one. So write it down. It's x square multiplied with x square minus xy plus y square. After that, plus xy. Plus xy is also multiplied with x square minus xy plus y square. Also, my dear students, it's plus y square. So plus y square is multiplied with x square minus xy plus y square. After that, my dear students, what should we do? As before, we can write down, look, this x square is multiplied with x square minus xy plus y square. This means that x square is multiplied with x square. Also x square is multiplied with minus xy. Also this x square is multiplied with y square. So we can write down it separately. Write down it x square multiplication with x square. Now this x square multiplied with minus xy. Okay, x square multiplied with minus xy. So xy has the minus sign. That is why we will use minus sign in before. Got it? X square is multiplied with minus xy. So minus sign will be arise before. Now plus x square is multiplied also y square with y square. I write it down. Now the second bracket has that xy is multiplied with x square, and this one xy is multiplied with minus xy. That is why we will get a minus sign in before. Xy multiplied with xy, and xy is also multiplied with plus y square. So xy multiplication with y square. Okay. So another one we have this y square is multiplied with x square. This now y square is multiplied with minus xy. So we'll get minus sign. Y square is multiplied with minus xy. Okay. And also this y square is multiplied with this y square. Now I'm going to the right side for solving this one. Okay. For solve of that one, we will go to the right side. The next line will be here. Now my dear students, look, when we multiply these two, x square and x square, we will get x to the power 4. X to the power 4 with the help of the first formula. Okay. X to the power n, x to the power m, it will be x to the power n plus m. Okay. Now x square is multiplied with xy. Minus sign will arise before. It will be x cube y. Okay. After that, it will be, we need to multiply x square with the y square. So it will be x square y square plus x square y square. Now my dear students, xy need to be multiplied with x square. So it will be plus x cube y. X cube y it will be, okay, plus x cube y. Okay. After that, we need to multiply this one. It's minus xy and xy. So we'll get a minus sign before, we'll get x square y square, because 1x and 1x makes x square and another y makes y square. Okay, then we need to multiply this one, it's xy with the y square, we'll get xy cube, the plus sign will arise before, it will be xy cube. Now my dear students, the next one is x square multiplied with x square, will get plus x square y square. Okay, plus it's x square y square. Again the next one is minus sign will arise, we will write down y square with the multiplication with xy, so we'll get xy cube, we'll get minus xy cube. Okay, minus xy cube. Now my dear students, the last term is y square multiplication with y square, we'll get plus y to the power 4, plus y to the power 4. I think you have understood, it's a simple multiplication to do that. Now we can omit all the similar terms by adding and subtracting. Look, x cube y has a minus sign and this x cube y has a plus sign, so we can omit these two. Now x square and y square has a plus sign before, and look, this x square and y square has a minus sign before, so we can omit these two also. Now my dear students, xy cube has a plus sign before and xy cube has a minus sign before, so we can also omit these two. Now we will have what? We will have only x to the power 4 plus this x square y square plus x square y square, then plus y to the power 4. Okay, this is our required result of the two polynomial expressions multiplication. The calculation is so bigger but the solution is so easy. My dear students, please don't be afraid. Okay, first of all you need to memorize this one, because in each and every multiplication we need these rules, right? In the first formula we need very essential this formula. Okay, after that you can solve very easily with the rules. Okay, and my dear students, you have the homework today. My dear students, you have the homework today. Today your homework number is 2. Okay, and the homework is your page number 64, exercise 4.1. You need to solve yourself in your homework number 18, number 21 and number 24 as your homework. Okay, I think my dear students, you have understood my today's lecture. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then,